TCS beats earnings by 12%. Stock gaps up 8% at open. That is real money, real opportunity, and anyone who was paying attention made a killing.
By the time you read that headline, institutions already bought in pre-market. You are not early. You are the exit liquidity. Congratulations.
Welcome to Bull versus Bear. The series is tied. Bull 3, Bear 3. Everything rides on today. News trading. Can retail traders profit from earnings, RBI announcements, and breaking news? Or is it all priced in before you even open your app? 3 rounds. Let us settle this. Round 1. News creates real moves. When TCS beats estimates by 12%, the stock gaps up 8% at open. That is 40 rupees on a 500 rupee stock in one candle. Infosys beat last quarter, gapped up 6%. These are not random moves. They are predictable reactions to specific catalysts. If you study the earnings calendar and position before the announcement, you capture these moves.
Position before the announcement? You mean gamble. You have no idea if TCS will beat or miss. Betting on earnings is a coin flip with extra steps. And the gap up? 80% of that move happened in pre-market between 4 a.m. and 9:15 a.m. By the time your broker app opens at 9:15, the move is done. You are buying the top of a gap. Institutions traded overnight. You are buying their exit.
Round 1 goes to Bear. The pre-market timing argument is devastating. 80% of the move before retail can react. That number is hard to argue with. Round 2. RBI policy announcements. When RBI cuts rates, Nifty moves 200 points in 10 minutes. That is a known, scheduled event. You can prepare for it. Analyze expectations. Position in advance. And unlike earnings, the market stays open during RBI announcements. No pre-market gap problem. You get to trade the live reaction.
The RBI announcement is a perfect trap. Yes, Nifty spikes 200 points. Then what? Look at the data. In the last 8 RBI rate cuts, Nifty spiked on the announcement and then reversed within 2 hours in 6 out of 8 cases. 6 out of 8. The initial move is noise. Algorithms front-run the expected outcome. When the actual announcement matches expectations, they sell into the spike. Buy the rumor, sell the news. This pattern is as old as markets.
Round 2 goes to Bear. 6 out of 8 reversals after RBI cuts is a brutal stat. The spike looks like opportunity. It is actually a trap designed by Algo traders who position days earlier. Round 3. Not all news is scheduled. Unexpected news. A surprise acquisition. A sudden regulatory change. A CEO resignation. These create moves that nobody can front-run because nobody saw them coming. When Adani got hit by the Hindenburg report, it dropped 20%. If you shorted on the headline, you made a fortune. Speed and awareness still matter.
The Hindenburg report? Hedge funds had that report days before it was public. They were already short. By the time you saw the headline on Twitter, the stock had already dropped 12%. You caught 8% of a 20% move, with maximum risk because you had no stop, no plan, and no idea if it would drop more or bounce. Studies show 80% of retail traders who trade on breaking news within the first hour lose money. 80%. You are not fast enough. Algorithms react in 3 milliseconds. You react in 3 minutes. That is 1,000 to 1 speed disadvantage.
Round 3 goes to Bear. The speed disadvantage is the final nail. 3 milliseconds versus 3 minutes. Retail cannot compete on news speed. Algorithms win every time. Final score. Bull 0. Bear 3. A clean sweep. Shadow dominates. The series score is now Bull 3, Bear 4. Shadow takes the lead. The data is clear. By the time retail reads the news, institutions have already traded on it. 80% of earnings moves happen before market open. 6 out of 8 RBI spikes reverse. 80% of retail news traders lose. News is priced in before you read it. The lesson: stop chasing headlines. News creates volatility, not opportunity for retail. If you must trade around news, trade the second reaction, not the first spike. Wait for the dust to settle. Wait for a clear pattern to form after the chaos. The money is in the aftermath, not the headline. Have you ever traded on news and won? Or got burned? Share your story in the comments. Subscribe to TradeSharp for more debates.